Hello and welcome to this Shopify tutorial for beginner series. In the second video, we will share a walkthrough of the Shopify dashboard and what is inside the dashboard that we already made a development store. So if you followed the first tutorial, we made a development store, and in this tutorial, I will explain how this dashboard looks like and what we can expect from this dashboard and how we can get benefited from this dashboard. And also please do smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so it reach to the more people in the YouTube. So first of all, this is called home. So if you click on this, here is something will appear like add product, customize theme, add pages, organize navigation, and add domain, accept payment, set shipping rates, something like that. It is an overview of what we have in our store. Then we have an orders panel. So if you click on the orders, you will see that this is the panel where orders will be received. Once we have run the store and once we start receiving our orders from our customers, we can find it here. So this is blank as we don't have any store and as we don't have any order to receive right now. Then we have the products where we will add all the products that we have, like what inventory we have, what collections we have, what the gift cards we have. But we will see how to add those products in the future in the next video. And then we have the customers. So when people will purchase from our Shopify store, here is the option where the all the information will be stored. Means there will be all the customer details will be in that panel of the customers. And then we have the analytics. What is the analytics? When people will start buying from our store, we can see how many sales we make in the day, how many online store was there, how many returning customers have bought from us, and what was the conversion rate, what was the average order value, and which products sold most. Everything you can see from this dashboard. This is a very detailed dashboard. So once we start receiving the orders, we can expect analytics or data from this panel. Then we have the marketing. So I think this is related to the marketing that we will do for Facebook, for every social media where we will bring our customer. Then we have the discounts. So if you click on the discount, we can create discount codes. So if people apply that discount code, they can get some sorts of discount like 30%, 40%, 50%, anything you want. Then we have the apps. So apps is something that Shopify have to power our Shopify store to add functionality in our store. Like if you want to add some reviews from our products, we can do that. If you want to add AliExpress products in our store, import it from AliExpress for the dropshipping purpose, we can do that. We can do a lot of things with the app. So app is a powerful option in our Shopify store. So it will be a very necessary part of our design Shopify environment that we need apps for a couple of reasons. So we'll see what apps we can use in those future videos as well. So keep with me. Then we have the online store. So if you click on the online store, here you will find that there will be some themes that we can use to build our Shopify store. So this is the current default theme that Shopify provide. So theme is all about how our store will look like. So we will deep dive into the theme in the later video or in the future video as well. Then we can add some free themes. We can see some premium themes in our Shopify store as well. We can purchase them. We can make our store using those premium themes as well. Then we have blog post. We have pages which we can add for our contact page, for our privacy policy page. Then we have the navigation, what we have for our menu. So we'll explain those in the later video. Then we have the setting. So in the setting you will find many things like your store details, where your store is located. For any reason, if your store address is wrong, then you can click edit and edit it. Then you have the plan, like we are in a development store, but if you want to make it for the future that you wanted to make the store live, then you can change the plan and purchase a premium plan from there. Then we have some other things like shipping, delivery, tax, etc, which we can discuss in the later video. We will see in those later videos. So this is an overall overview of Shopify dashboard, how it is looks like and what we can expect from this dashboard. So in the next video we will discuss how to add products in our Shopify store and how to do that. We can do it in a couple of ways, but I will show you how to do that manually so you can add your products in your Shopify store. So I hope you are enjoying this Shopify tutorial for beginner series for the next 30 days. And if you enjoying, do smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also let me know in the comment as well. So thank you very much for watching the video.